Good morning, team. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to change the Ikea slipcovers on my Ektorp sofa and the two chairs. I have a whole set of the beige and they're hiding in boxes underneath the sofa. So I'm going to strip these off, cushions, seat cushions, back cushions, and the whole underneath area. I'm going to wash those and dry and put them away without having them stretched or ironed or anything. Put them away till next spring and then do like 6 months of beige in the winter and 6 months of white in the summer. So watch me go. So then I grab my OxiClean and I just hit different areas of wear and tear, extra dirty spots. And I kind of pre-treat them. I don't have many, fortunately. And then I just toss it in the wash. Hopefully it'll come out nicely. So yeah, naked furniture. And I'm going to pop these beige ones on the old Ektorp. Yeah, they've been sitting under my sofa waiting for fall to come. Can't wait. Hi there, I've just been yelling at my photographer to film me because I hate doing it myself with the tripod, and I just for once want a little help whilst I film. So what I'm going to do, guys, is open up my new package. Photographer laughs, I laugh. Okay, open up a new package of Ikea stuff. Oh, it's always so difficult. You know, I love Ikea and I love my sofas, but everything's hard. Saying everything's hard to do. Oh boy, that's a big piece. That's a bunch of little pieces. Okay. All right, so let's get on with it. Let's play WrestleMania 2019 with the sofa. Oh, Ikea Ektorp. Yeah, very popular. Oh, look at the hinges and stuff. And I got Velcro along here. I never mentioned it in my setting up video, but this attaches to the inside of your giant slipcover. Don't be looking at this area. Be looking, what? Yeah, just be looking at this area here. Okay, how the heck? How do I even? I think it goes like this. Tell me if I've got it right, folks. Oh, it's quite nice. And the fabrics look really sturdy. I mean, look at this weave. Look at this weave. This stuff's sturdy as all get out. Oh, yeah. And then on the back of this is that Velcro we were talking about. Excuse my finger, I had an accident. So about my accident, like I was making some furniture and I hit my finger with the little tack hammer. Anyway, so where is that Velcro? Yeah, so that's the Velcro that attaches under there. Okay. Okay. You could get a plain cleaning video if I tape it myself, but if my photographer tapes me, I just laugh the whole time, which I enjoy. I think it adds to it, don't you? Oh, yeah. It's a dignified chore for a grown woman. Oh, yeah. Like I said, don't be concentrating on that area. Just this area, here. There. That's coming along. That's kind of where it ought to be. Oops, yeah. So, the struggle bus, we're all on it. Let's try. Oh, the Swedish. They're not kind to us. Oh, crikey. Oh. Oh, there we go. A little bit of give. A little bit of give and take. Oh. Okay, that's looking good. Now let's get that Velcro on. You want to hear? Oh, yeah, that's satisfying. And that just keeps it in position. And look at the lovely pleats. Wrinkly as all get out, but you gotta just, oh, excuse my runny nose. You gotta just chill and live with it and enjoy it, and the wrinkles will drop out a bit. Okay, so, oh yes. Gotta remember how it goes. There's the flat side. Oh, hey, wait a minute, photographer. There's the flat side, and there's the puffy side. And the part with the bumpy nipples, nubbins, the bumpy nubbins, that goes at the front. So then I have to find the coordinating, yeah, that looks like a square one. Oh, the little workers in the Indian factory zipped that up. Thank you, guys. Extra effort. Bonus rupees. Oh, goodness gracious. Is there a right and a wrong here? Oh. I was hoping that the beige ones would be easier. That's not so bad. Oh, yeah. Give it some welly, as they say in England. Give it a bit of welly. That went on easier than my white ones. Oh, it's always a struggle, though, when you got crippled digits like I do. I'm not a young lady. I'm 66. I've got arthritis, all right? Look at that. Ooh. Oh, yeah. That's going to be nice through the winter. Now let's find an end cushion. Oh, what am I talking about? They're all like that. Oh, yeah. They are. I'll do one more of these on film, and then I'll do one of the back cushions. They're more squidgy, so they're even easier. Okay, where's those nubbins? There's the nubbins, so that's the front of the cushion. That's all I can tell you. That's all you're going to hear. Oh, runny nose, what's that about? Okay. Oh. Oh. Sorry about the sound effects. But it's working. Oh, it looks so custom fitted. I tell you, they're so well down there in the old factory. Well designed, good fabric, and well stitched, and tough as old boots. It takes a lot of abuse. Right, so that's, excuse me, that's that kind now. Let's find a cushion. A back cushion, I should say. You know, with this area here. Let me just get that right centered in this area here. That'll go in there. Let's find a goofy one. That goes over there. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Oh, the workers, they're so kind. Zipping it up for us. Will this do it? Oh. I to make it look graceful and easy, don't I? Yeah. Just bear with it. I'll try this corner. Oh, yeah. Get partially on. Stay. And then, what the heck? Oh. What do you think, Lulu? If I get this on and it's backwards, then you've seen me being an idiot. All right? Okay. It is squidgier though. Yeah. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, I have a feeling that it's all wrong. Where's the nubbin? Where's that part? Is this the part? I got it in backwards, guys. There's nothing in there. There's nothing to fill that. Okay. Yeah, backwards. You saw. Take two. Flip that thing. That's called a sucker. Flip that sucker over. Oh, it's looking good. I like we got some filler down there. Oh, yeah. It's a fun chore. A fun chore. Especially when you have multiple pieces of this Ikea Ektorp stuff. But it is also a good excuse to fluff up the back cushions because, you know, the dog lies on the back cushions over here. And right now she's right there. And she's just crumple that one down a wee bit. But oh, that is looking fluffy. It's like having a brand new sofa. And when I got these on sale, I think it was about $40 for the cover, maybe 28, something ridiculous, for the covers for the chair. And these were like 40 or something for a whole set, something ridiculous, maybe 100. Oh, but that's nice, hey? Does this look gorgeous or what? Oh, yes. I'm loving that I have another look. The winter look. Ektorp Ikea. All done. Pillows on. And I have to be practical here. I have a little dog. It's getting to be winter. I put this throw on here. This is where she sits with her little dirty feet. So that's being practical so I don't have to wash it every 5 minutes. And then there's this guy over here. Looking lovely. All is calm, all is neutral. So well made. Such tough fabric. I'm happy with it. I just have to line dry the other, not line dry, air dry all the other white ones I took off. Yep, and I washed them in a regular load. Just by themselves with a hit of that bottle over there of the old OxyClean and then my regular laundry detergent, and I'm just gonna air them to dry. I'll actually show you where I've got some of them just hanging in a room, just air drying them. Yeah, before storing. That's a nice color for winter. A little bit darker, won't show as much of the dirt. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. It's a lot of fun. Bye for now.